Dear students, in the previous video we learned how to multiply binomial by any polynomial. Okay, so today we are going to work out exercise 9.4. Let us see the questions. The first question is multiply the binomials. In that the first one is 2x plus 5 multiplied by 4x minus 3. So what do we have to do? First split this. So 2x multiplied by 4x minus 3 plus 5 into 4x minus 3. So when we open the bracket, 2 4s are 8x square minus 2 3s are 6x plus 5 4s are 20x minus 5 3s are 15. So here 8x square as it is because there is no other x square term. But here you have 2x terms minus 6x plus 20x. That is 20 minus 6. How much it is? 20 minus 6 is 14x minus 50. Okay, no more like terms to be added. So this is your answer. Similarly, y minus 8 multiplied by 3y minus 4. So how will you do that? Y into 3y minus 4. Here the sign is minus, so you have to put minus 8 into 3y minus 4. That is 3y into y is 3y square. Minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Minus 8 into 3y, that is 8 3s are 24y. And minus 8 into minus 4 is plus 32. Here these two terms are similar. So this will remain as it is, 3y square. Both are negative. So we have to add and give negative sign. So minus 24 plus 4, 28y plus 32. Now check if there is any more terms to be added. Here y square, here y and here constant term. Nothing can be added further. Now here it is decimal coefficients. So the first one is 2.5L minus 0.5M multiplied by 2.5L plus 0.5M. So first 2.5L into 2.5L plus 0.5M minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. So when we multiply 2.5 into 2.5, 25 25s are 625. So you will get 6.25 L square. 25 5s are 125. So here 1.25 LM. Now minus again here 5 into 25 is 1.25 LM. Now 5 5s are 25, that is minus 0.5 into minus here. So here it will be minus 0.25 M. Here 1.25 LM minus 1.25 LM. Both are same coefficients with different signs, so it will become 0. So the answer is 6.25 L square minus 0.25 M into M. Here M square. So 0.25 M square. Okay. Now here a into 3b plus x into x plus 5. So a multiplied by x plus 5 plus 3b multiplied by x plus 5, which is equal to ax plus 5a plus 3bx plus 5 3s are 15b. There is no terms to be added, so here it stops. Now here 2pq into 3q square multiplied by 3pq minus 2q square, that is 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square, that is equal to 2 3s are 6p square q square minus 2 2s are 4 p q raised to 3 plus 3 3s are 9 p q raised to 3 minus 3 2s are 6 q raised to 4. That is, here p square q square, here pq cube, and here also pq cubes, like terms. So this remains as it is. But this 9 minus 4 is plus 5 p q cube. And the last term 6 q raised to 4. And the last question is in fractions. So this is equal to 3 by 4 a square multiplied by a square minus 2 by 3 b square plus 3b square multiplied by a square minus 2 by 3 b square. So this is equal to 3 by 4 a square into a square is a raised to 4 minus 3 by 4 a square into 2 by 3 b square plus 3 a square into b square, that is a square b square minus 3b square into 2 by 3 b square. Now this term will remain as it is, 3 by 4 a raised to 4. Here 3 can get cancelled, 2 2s are 4. So you get minus 1 by 2 a square b square plus 3 a square b square. Again here 3 gets cancelled, so minus 2 b raised to 4. So we get 3 by 4 a raised to 4. Can take the b raised to 4 here, so 2 b raised to 4 minus here a square b square, here also a square b square. 3 minus half. What is 3 minus half? Either you can find using LCM or simple calculation. 3 minus half is 2 and half. So 2 and half is 5 upon 2 a square b square. Here the sign of greater number is plus. So here it will become plus. So your answer is 3 upon 4 a raised to 4 minus 2b raised to 4 plus 5 upon 2 a square b square. That's all for today. In the next class, we will solve the remaining sums from this exercise. Thank you.